Hey guys, welcome back. This is Laura with the Outdoor Kitchen Tupper Style, and today I'm going to be demonstrating our cold brew coffee with the Tupperware cold brew carafe. Okay, so I have this cold brew carafe from Tupperware. As you can see, I've had a lot of people after buying it ask me how to actually use this thing. And it's actually very simple, but I figured I'd do a demonstration to show you so that you can see how simple it is to do cold brew coffee, tea, and also I've done infusions as well in it, which will be another video down the road. But it comes with this right here, a lid, a little filter. It's like a mesh filter and it's steel. And then this is the carafe. It's BPA free plastic, not glass. And then it has a lid. And I'm not sure you can see, but there are two lines on the little steel filter. One here and one here. If you want weak coffee or tea, you fill it to this line. If you want it really strong, you fill it to this line. So you simply put it in here. I've got this little scooper from Tupperware. They come in a set of 4. They work really great for filling it with coffee or tea. So we just basically add, I'm going to make strong coffee today. Okay, and as you can see, it's filled to right about here with coffee. And I do want to mention too that you can add like your Torani flavors to it. I do like caramel or anything that you want, vanilla. It just goes straight into here. When I do herbal teas, I will put like raspberries or lemon or even mint and do an herbal infusion as well. It works really great. Make sure, disclaimer, if it is acidic, don't leave it in there for more than 12 hours because it will start eating away at the filter. So then basically all you do, I have this Tupperware Eco bottle, and all you do is you pour it in and let it do its magic. You can see I'm dumping it in, and it's filtering through. Again, we're in the outdoors, so the wind is not not helping my hair here. And you just fill it up to there. It takes about 1 whole bottle of these. It's the extra large Eco bottle from Tupperware. And you put the lid on. You let it sit in the refrigerator for 8 to 12 hours and you have cold brew coffee. The nice thing about this thing is it filters it so smoothly that people with heartburn are actually commenting on how nice it is, that it's way less acidic for them, so they're actually able to drink the coffee again. And if you don't like cold brew coffee, then you can always, after it does this, heat it in the microwave, heat it on the stove, and have warm coffee as well. But it truly is just that simple.